Starborn Academy is a chance for students to go into virtual reality, go into space, learn about space exploration, conduct real hands-on science experiments, see the International Space Station, solve problems in space, and explore all the different career options and pathways that are connected to the space exploration that's going to be happening within their lifetime.
Basically what we're doing is we're learning all about like outer space and planets, and you can even have these VR missions. All these modules are very, very exciting.
So at the very end, they had awards. Some people got the award for best captain's log or best overall presentation, and then there was like a few awards for just excellence during the classes and your presentation. And then there was the final award, which was just for overall high score first place.
Whoever had the best of all three presentation did the best at all the modules and had the best captain's logs, which were the responses given after each of those modules, gets flown out to New Mexico to see the Spaceport America launch.
So I won first place for the competition, so I get to go see a launch in New Mexico by Virgin Galactic. I'm really excited to see the launch. I think it'll be really cool because I don't really know how that works.
Josh Haynes, the CEO of Uplift Aerospace, who is the sponsor of the Starborn Academy program, approached me and said, hey, I've got this idea of this program that we're putting in, and I think YouScience could play a role in that. And so we used our aptitude and interest assessments to identify which students had aptitudes and what the interest levels look like, so we can kind of target our efforts. And then for the students that had an aptitude match, we actually held simple counseling sessions to sit down with that student and say, did you know you have talent in advanced manufacturing or in engineering or STEM fields? Had that ever occurred to you? And we're excited because we can really show a student at a critical moment in time what their abilities are and then connect them to real world examples, which is what Starborn Academy did.